Downloading account statements on Vanguard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your statements. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your accounts. Once logged in, find the My Accounts section on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your investment accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to download the statements. Click on the account name to access its details. Step 4. Access statements. Look for a section labeled Documents or Statements. Click on it to find the available account statements for download. Step 5. Download the statement. Select the statement you wish to download, usually available in PDF format. Click on the download link or button to save it to your device. Now you can easily access and download your account statements on Vanguard. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance.